If your hair routine is expensive but your hair is still shedding, you need to watch this. I'm brewing 3 powerful kitchen ingredients for 24 hours to create a nutrient-rich herbal serum. And wait until you see what this infusion looks like when it's ready. Today, we're creating the ultimate hair growth tonic.
1, 2, 3.
Okra is an exceptional choice for hair care because of its thick, natural slime that acts as a powerful botanical hydrator, providing intense moisture, scalp relief, and unbeatable detangling slip. When using this vegetable for a hair treatment, you can maximize its benefits by pairing it with specific ingredients or applying it during key steps of your hair care routine. It can also promote hair growth by delivering intense hydration to the scalp while supplying hair follicles with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as zinc, magnesium, and folic acid. Parsley is another excellent option for our blend. The 3 reasons you should use parsley for hair growth are that it blocks biological hair loss triggers using a natural antioxidant, it feeds nutrients like iron and vitamin C directly to your roots to maximize nutrition delivery, and it offers an inexpensive, chemical-free option compared to costly commercial serums. I'm now going to be putting everything into this pan. I'm also going to be adding some rosemary. This herb promotes hair growth because it significantly improves blood circulation to the scalp. It kills bacteria that clogs hair follicles and mimics minoxidil by blocking chemical changes that causes hormonal thinning. With all the ingredients in the pan, let's move on to the next step. I'm now going to be adding 1.5 cups of hot water right onto that. Putting hot water on all these ingredients are very good because the heat breaks down the tough plant cell walls and dissolves the essential nutrients into the liquid so your scalp can actually absorb them. If you use cold water, the active compounds remain trapped in this plant, but hot water extracts the thick mucilage slime from the okra, it draws out the follicle-stimulating antioxidant from the parsley, and it releases the circulation-boosting essential oils from the rosemary into a highly concentrated hair tonic. I'll leave this pan in a cool, dark place for around 24 hours. This is what the mixture looks like after 24 hours. Keeping the pan covered forces those nutrient-rich vapors to condense on the inside of the lid and fall right back into the liquid, ensuring that every single drop of the growth-stimulating compounds stays locked in inside your hair tonic. This step preserves the purity and the strength of the mixture while keeping out airborne dust, bacteria, and spores. I'm now pouring this into my blender so we can blend it up. I'm now going to be using a cheesecloth to separate the leftover plant pieces. Now this is what the mixture looks like. The green color comes directly from the extracted rosemary, parsley, as well as the okra juices, while the slippery smooth thickness comes entirely from the okra mucilage. To boost this mixture, I'm now going to be adding some vitamin E. Now I'm adding some castor oil. And finally, I'm adding some vegetable glycerin. Now let's mix it up. The best advice I can give anyone using this homemade okra, parsley, and rosemary liquid is to apply it directly to a clean scalp 3 to 4 times a week and massage it in thoroughly for about 5 to 6 minutes to activate the hair follicles. Consistency and patience are the ultimate keys to getting results from this treatment. Natural hair growth remedies require longer, ongoing application for over a period of 4 to 6 weeks before you will notice a reduction in daily shedding and the appearance of new, stronger hair strands. I'm now going to be using a clean covered container that can ensure my homemade herbal serum stays sterile and remains in its potent, slippery consistency until the exact moment you're ready to apply it to your scalp. And you should do the same. I now want to say a special thank you to Adam McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dye Your Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts. So if you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in the description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!